Hey guys, welcome back to GBTV. Andy here again. Just a little quick one because I've just been sent these two packs in the post. I've been sent them because I had some error cards. I let Tops know and they sent me a couple packs as a way of an apology. So let's get into these. These are not any memorabilia packs because, well, I can feel that they're not, but let's see what we got anyway. Why? Okay, some are backwards, some are the right one. I don't like this. Right, there we go. So we got Connor, Sarah Logan, Stone Cold Steve Austin. We've got Undisputed Era. I like that. We've got part of the Royal Rumble poster, which is good. We've got Johnny Gargano, Psycho Sid, Viscera, and Sanity. So far, I believe, all new cards. Let's see what we got in this one. Okay, just a quick little video today, because I've only got these two. And then the next video will be out on Friday, when I get paid. Okay, why are some backwards, some not? Anyway, so we have Only Lorcan, okay, so that is a duplicate now. Bobby Fish, Rikishi, the Iron Sheik. We have Randall Keith Orton, the Bludgeon Brothers, the Miz Taraj, which are broken up now, so okay. We have Paige, when she won the Divas Championship on her debut night, I guess. And we have a Kevin Owens champion card. So, in 2 packs I managed to get 2 champion cards. That's actually pretty impressive. So, those are just 2 packs today, that's all. Just 2. But, they're good packs. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button down below, click the like button, and comment in the comment section. And with that, bye-bye.